Imagine planting a tree. Every day you water it, you protect it from the weather, you take care of the soil. A week passes, nothing happens. A month passes, still nothing. A year passes, and from the outside, it looks as if your effort has produced absolutely no result. Most people would stop, not because the process doesn't work, but because the reward hasn't arrived yet. And that simple idea explains one of the most misunderstood truths about wealth. People often believe that building wealth is difficult because it requires extraordinary intelligence. But that's rarely the problem. The real challenge is that wealth operates on a timeline that most people are unwilling to endure. I call this the wealth delay effect, the strange phenomenon where success arrives much later than effort. And because of that delay, many people quit before they ever experience the outcome they were working toward. The irony is that wealth often looks sudden from the outside, but from the inside, it almost never is. Let's start with a story. There is a famous example often used to illustrate delayed growth: the Chinese bamboo tree. For years after it is planted, almost nothing appears above the ground. The person watering it sees little evidence of progress: no towering plant, no dramatic growth, nothing that would impress anyone passing by. Yet beneath the surface, something important is happening. A vast root system is being built. Then, after years of invisible development, the bamboo suddenly grows at an astonishing speed. To an outside observer, it appears as though the growth happened overnight. But it didn't. The visible growth was simply the final stage of a process that had already been happening for years. Wealth often works the same way. The problem is that humans are not naturally wired to appreciate delayed rewards. We prefer immediate feedback. We like quick wins. We like visible progress. And modern life constantly reinforces this preference. You order food, it arrives in minutes. You stream a movie, it starts instantly. You buy something online, it's delivered tomorrow. The world keeps teaching us to expect speed, but wealth operates on a completely different timeline. The stock market doesn't care how motivated you feel. Compound growth doesn't care how impatient you become. Time moves at its own pace, and that pace often feels painfully slow. This is where many people make a critical mistake. They assume that slow progress means no progress, but those are not the same thing. Imagine someone who begins investing. Every month they contribute a small amount. They stay consistent. They avoid unnecessary spending. They do everything they were told to do. After 1 year, the portfolio isn't impressive. After 3 years, it still doesn't look life-changing. After 5 years, the results feel underwhelming compared to the effort. And that's when doubt appears. The sacrifices feel real, the rewards do not. Many people quit right there. Not because the strategy was wrong, because the results weren't visible enough. What they fail to realize is that they were approaching the most important part of the journey, the point where years of invisible progress begin to compound. This is why the first half of wealth creation often looks like failure. That's worth repeating. Not because you're losing, not because the process is broken, but because the outcome hasn't caught up with the effort yet. And this pattern appears everywhere. A person joins a gym. The first few weeks are difficult. Results are barely noticeable. Motivation disappears. Many quit. An entrepreneur starts a business. Months pass. Customers are scarce. Revenue is limited. Doubt grows. Many quit. A creator launches a YouTube channel. Video after video receives little attention. Growth feels non-existent. Many quit. Different goals. Same problem. Results arrive after motivation disappears. And because motivation disappears first, most people never stay long enough to see what happens next. This creates one of the biggest illusions in modern life: the illusion of sudden success. You see someone who built wealth, someone who became successful, someone who gained freedom, and from the outside, it looks like everything happened quickly. People say they got lucky. People say they were in the right place at the right time. People say they became successful overnight. But almost nobody sees the years that came before it. The years of repetition, the years of patience, the years when nothing appeared to be happening. Imagine an iceberg. The visible portion above the water is all anyone notices: the wealth, the success, the freedom, the lifestyle. But beneath the surface lies everything that made those outcomes possible. Years of effort, years of consistency, years of delayed gratification, years of invisible progress. The problem is that we compare our invisible years to someone else's visible years. And that's a comparison nobody can win. You see their results. You don't see their waiting. You see their destination. You don't see their delay. And because of that, many people mistakenly conclude that they're behind, when in reality, they may simply be standing in the phase where progress remains hidden. This is especially true in investing. The beginning is often boring. Nothing feels dramatic. Nothing feels transformational. The process seems disconnected from the outcome. Then something changes. Your contributions become meaningful. Your growth begins generating more growth. The system starts helping itself. And what once felt insignificant begins to accelerate. This is the moment everyone wants. But it's also the moment most people never reach, because they left during the invisible years. And that's what makes the wealth delay effect so powerful. It quietly filters people out. Not based on intelligence, not based on talent, not even based on opportunity. It filters people based on endurance. The ability to continue when visible evidence is limited. The ability to trust a process before the process becomes exciting. The ability to stay consistent when progress feels invisible. Maybe that's the real secret behind wealth, not prediction, not genius, not perfect timing, endurance. The willingness to remain committed long enough for time to do its work. Because wealth doesn't usually reward intensity, it rewards consistency. It doesn't usually reward excitement, it rewards patience. And it doesn't reward those who start, it rewards those who stay. This idea changes how we think about success. Instead of asking, how quickly can I get results? Perhaps the better question is, can I stay committed long enough for results to arrive? Because nearly everything valuable follows the same pattern. Health, knowledge, skills, relationships, businesses, investments. All of them grow slowly, then suddenly. And the sudden part receives all the attention. But the slow part is where everything important happens. The roots, the foundation, the invisible years, those years matter most. Because that is where wealth is actually built. Not when success becomes visible, but when consistency continues despite invisibility. And maybe that's the greatest lesson of all. The people who build wealth aren't always the smartest people in the room. They aren't always the most talented. They aren't always the luckiest. Often, they're simply the people who stayed long enough. Long enough for effort to accumulate. Long enough for patience to compound. Long enough for invisible progress to become visible. Because the greatest financial mistake isn't starting too late. It's quitting during the years when nothing seems to be happening. The years when the roots are growing. The years when the foundation is being built. The years when success is quietly forming beneath the surface. And perhaps the next time your progress feels slow, the next time your investments seem insignificant, the next time you wonder whether your effort is making any difference. Remember the bamboo tree. Remember the iceberg. Remember that wealth often arrives long after the work begins. And that what looks like an overnight success is usually the result of years nobody ever saw. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to The Engineering of Investing. Here we explore the hidden systems behind wealth, investing, human behavior, and financial freedom. Because understanding money is valuable. But understanding why people succeed or fail with money may be even more important. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.